I'm concerned with what's going on post JSS 3. It is a big issue. This whole cyber frauds and this Yahoo culture. I'm calling on each and every one of you. Please send as much information as you can to my office. I'm going to see the chairman of EFCC. I don't want to send, I'm not condemning those people involved. There must be a reason why that culture has become so prolific in Edo State. We must find the root causes. Let us address those root causes like we did in the case of trafficking. And let's see how we can now correct. Because these children must be very brilliant. They're not, because the kind of things they get to, how to hack into other people's accounts, it shows that they're thinking. How do we redirect that thinking into something more positive? Is it possible? And I'm sure as Edo people, we can help the country in that regard.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.